Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Crystal Lopez and I blog at crystalandcomp.com. And this lady here is Miss Kelli Miller and she blogs at 3boysandadog.com.
Hey y'all. So we're blogging mentors and we're here to help you create a stunning blog that not only looks amazing, but also functions beautifully for your readers.
Yep. And today we're actually going to talk about one of the most fun parts of building a blog, and that is choosing a theme. What exactly is a blog theme and how does it impact your site's design and functionality? And how can you pick the perfect one for your brand?
Yes, your theme is like your blog's outfit. It's the first thing people notice, and it sets the tone for their entire experience on your site. Getting it right can make a huge difference in reader loyalty.
That's right. Stick around because our aha moment that we always do is going to show you why the best blog themes aren't just pretty faces. They are powerful tools that can actually help you grow your audience and achieve your blogging goals.
So let's start with our basics as we always do. Crystal, tell us, what exactly is a blog theme?
That's a really good question. A blog theme is essentially a pre-designed template that determines how your blog looks and functions. Okay. It controls everything from the color scheme and the font to your layout and navigation structure. It's very much forward facing. Okay.
Yeah, well, it's both.
I know there's things on the back, but like.
So I want you to think of your blog content as the words in a book and your theme as the book's design, the cover, the page layout, the typography. The content is what you write, but the theme is how it's presented to your readers.
So most blogging platforms like WordPress offer thousands of themes to choose from. Some are free, others are premium, but they all serve the same purpose, giving your blog a professional, polished look without requiring you to know how to code. That's one of the beautiful things about WordPress. Okay?
Yeah, but what's really cool is a good theme is not just about looks. It also really and truly affects how your blog functions, how fast it loads, how it appears on mobile devices, and even how well it performs in the search engines.
So, why is choosing the right theme such a big deal? Well, first, it's going to create your first impression. Okay. Studies show that visitors form an opinion about your website in just like 0.05 seconds. That's faster than you can blink. That's fast.
Trying to blink really fast. Secondly, it affects your user experience. I mean, it just does. A well-designed theme makes it easy for your readers to find what they're looking for, makes it easy for them to navigate your site. It makes it easy for them to get from point A to point B quickly. And that is what makes them enjoy spending time on your blog.
Yep. Third, it impacts your site's performance. So some themes are built with clean code that load quickly, while others can slow your site down and hurt your search rankings, which hurts your money and hurts all the things that domino from there.
And finally, it reflects your brand's personality. Your theme should feel like you, whether that's clean and minimal, bold and colorful, or elegant and sophisticated. But not only should it feel like you, it should feel like your brand, right? If you are selling kids' toys, you're probably not going to look elegant and sophisticated.
Mm-hmm. Right. The right theme doesn't just make your blog look good. It makes your content more engaging. It makes your site more user-friendly. It makes your brand more memorable. It's more polished.
So let's talk about the key features that is it's overwhelming. It's so overwhelming choosing a theme, not just for the first time, but every time we do a brand overhaul or a blog refresh, we have to go back through the same process. So what are the key features that we really need to pay attention to besides just is it pretty? Okay. Feature number 1, mobile responsiveness. Mm-hmm. More than half of web traffic comes from mobile devices. So your theme has to look great on phones and tablets. And ideally, let me tell you this, now in 2025 and beyond, you really need to be able to present something different on mobile than you do on desktop. We don't want to just scrunch things up on mobile. Okay?
Right. Because the habits of the end user are different in those places. So your theme needs to support that. Number 2, is load time. Choose themes that are optimized for fast load times. Slow sites frustrate visitors, but it also frustrates Google, and it's going to hurt your search rankings, and it's going to hurt your ad money.
Also, Pinterest. All of the places that are trying to send you traffic.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Feature number 3, customization options. And that kind of goes back to a little bit about being able to customize your site so it looks different on mobile than it does, so that different things present on mobile than they do on desktop, but also changing those fonts and those colors pretty easily. Layouts that match your brand without really needing to touch any code unless you're a coder.
Right. And feature number 4 is SEO friendliness. The best themes are built with clean code that search engines can easily read and understand. So that's going to help you rank better with Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, all the places.
And feature number 5, that ongoing support and updates. That's very important. Make sure you choose a theme from a reputable developer who regularly updates their products and provides customer support when you need help.
Yep. Don't get overwhelmed by all the fancy features that you don't need. Focus on those core elements and you'll have a solid foundation for your blog's growth. All right. So here is the aha moment that we promised you. Are you ready for it?
Your theme is not just about your blog's appearance. It is also your silent marketing tool.
That's right. A strategically chosen theme doesn't just look pretty to the end user. Okay. It guides your readers through your content. It encourages them to stay longer. It makes it easier for them to take action. It does all the things that we're always telling you guys that you need to be doing as a business. It helps you do those things.
When your theme has clear navigation, prominent social sharing buttons that don't cover the text on mobile, and well-placed email sign-up forms, it's actively working to grow your audience while you sleep. Let me just say that again, because there is nothing more frustrating than landing on a blog and trying to read, or a website, and trying to read something that I cannot see the first 2 words of the entire left side because their share buttons cover it, and there's no way to get rid of those share buttons. Yep. Check your mobile. Does yours have that?
Right. Right. This is why the most successful bloggers don't just pick things that they think are cute or pretty. They choose themes that support their business goals and make it easy for readers to engage with the content that they create. Okay.
So how do you actually choose the right theme for your blog without spending untold hours looking at all the themes out there? Well, number 1, you need to define your brand. You need to define your brand aesthetic. Are you going for clean and modern, warm and cozy, bold and vibrant? What are you selling? And when I say selling, I don't mean product, right? That too, but I don't mean product. Who is your ideal audience? You need to know. It's not just about what you like, right? It's about using the right colors, the right fonts, the right icons, the right feel for that end user, for the person that you're trying to attract, for your ideal avatar.
Mm-hmm.
Once you have that, then you can start browsing. Sorry.
You're okay. Step number 2, consider your content type. So if you're a food blogger, does the theme support showcasing your beautiful photos? If you also YouTube, is there a place for you to include YouTube videos on your homepage maybe? Are you heavy on making products? Is there a place that beautifully displays your products and encourages people to buy in one click? Like, think about those things. Don't just go with a theme that's beautiful. Go with a theme that supports what you're doing. Okay. Number 3.
Number 3, as I said earlier, test it. Test it on multiple devices. Before you commit to a theme, especially if you're going to buy a theme, right? Before you commit to spending money on a theme, make sure you view that demo on your phone. Make sure you view it on a tablet. Make sure you view it on a computer, ideally a widescreen monitor and a regular monitor, to make sure that it looks great everywhere. Take it and shrink your window and see how the responsiveness of it, right?
Number 4, read reviews, check ratings, talk to other people, colleagues in this space. Other users' experience can give you valuable insight on the theme's quality, support, and potential issues. There are companies that make themes that you can buy. So who do your friends buy from? When you see that your friend has a beautiful blog and you love the way the functionality of it is, where did they get that theme? Ask them. Okay. Number 5.
Number 5, start with simplicity. I say this all the time, not just in blogging. Okay, start simple. You can always add. It's not so easy to remove. That goes with spices. that goes with theme upgrades, add-ons, additions, fancy schmancy things, right? It's easy to add them. It's not always easy to take it away. If you're new to blogging, choose something clean, something straightforward that's not going to overwhelm you and that's not going to overwhelm your readers. You can always add, you can always upgrade later.
Yep. That's the key. Simple is less overwhelming. Remember, there's no perfect theme that works for everyone. The best theme for you is the one that aligns with your brand and serves your audience and feels authentic to your vision. All right. So, friends, we want to hear from you. What theme are you currently using, or what style are you hoping to achieve in your next blog design? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts.
And I just want to say, before I remind you, you could tell that Kelli and Crystal were both checking their phones on their mobile, their sites on their mobile device to see if they had that little share button. Because right about that, we both started doing like this, and we're a little sidetracked when it came our turn. Mine's good. Thank you for asking. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more tips on creating a blog that looks amazing and performs even better.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. Remember, your theme is not just decoration. It's the foundation of your reader's experience. So you need to choose wisely. You need to watch how it transforms not just your blog's appearance, but its impact too. So keep creating, keep designing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.